Morning gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. The crypto market is cannibalizing itself at the moment. Some updates last night. Binance had almost $7 billion withdrawn from the exchange. Now the problem is when a bank run starts, you can't stop a bank run. So is Binance having a bank run right now? Do you think it will survive? Let me know in the comment section below. What this has told us with Binance, with FTX, is do self-custody. So use the exchanges for trading or withdrawing, like what you need at the moment. But besides that, use self-custody. You can learn how in the crypto master course with my 7,000 students, but it's very Google self-custody or seed phrase. What it means is you use actually crypto for what it was designed for, to self-custody your assets. Sam Bankman-Fried got arrested yesterday in Bahamas. The FTX, the U.S. government is having, Congress is discussing what happened with FTX. They're having like a meeting. I don't know what it would be called. Congress is currently in talks with what's happening with FTX, with John, the new CEO of FTX, and they're talking about what happened. Apparently, the Bahamian governments took 100 million. There's a lot of shady things happening. Sam Bankman-Fried is arrested. He's been denied bail. And the crypto markets is just self-cannibalizing itself at the moment. There's a lot of panic in the markets, but with yesterday, if you followed my video yesterday, we went long on Bitcoin, and that long perfectly played out because the market went really strong on the CPI. The CPI data, inflation came down less than expected. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. And the market, we had a big green day yesterday. The stocks pumped massively and then retraced on that CPI announcement, which is quite interesting, showing massive weakness in stocks. Meta was up 4% and it held yesterday. Look at this one-day movement on Meta. It opened up, it pumped on the one day. Meta opened up to opened up massively, and then had look at that. It went from 112 to 123 and held. So that's good. I've been buying a lot of Meta. If you've been following my videos, we've been stacking Meta, which was massive. I've also been buying a lot of Google, and I'm still buying a lot of Meta and Google. Why? Google pumped all the way up to $100. Why am I buying Meta and Google? Because I believe that, look at this. This is Google, one of the biggest tech companies in the world. I'm heavily exposed to crypto from MCRT, so I'm more buying Google and Facebook right now, and you can see that Facebook and Google had a 45% retrace, 45%. Now from the bottom, Google has already gone up. On yesterday's spike, it went up 20% from the bottom. So there's a lot of money to be made in stocks. Stocks pumping really hard. Bitcoin also breaking out yesterday after our trade. We went long on Bitcoin and it played out perfectly. Look at that. Exactly as I've been telling. If you've been following my videos, this is the big descending triangle that I've been saying I think is going to be breaking out towards Christmas, going towards that 25K. Stochastic turning off the bottom. Same with the monthly turning off extremely oversold on monthly, daily overbought. But still looking good. On the 4-hourly, massive volume came in yesterday. We had finally a big volume spike that we haven't had since the FTX crash. 4-hourly, we overbought. That trade we took yesterday played out perfectly. We opened the trade it's a big trade that we had set yesterday, 14,000. We opened the trade at 17,165. And now Bitcoin is sitting at 17,788. So a massive move, beautiful. We had around that long from yesterday is up around 3.7%. If you took 10x leverage, that would be 37%. But this is a setup for a bigger long-term trade. This is a bottoming formation that I'm seeing on Bitcoin. A lot of volume spike at that breakout of that channel, as I predicted in the last video. And this is a long setup for a big movement to that 25K. So it was risking $485 to make $8,453. That's amazing risk to reward ratio, 17 times. For every dollar risk, 17 times gain. If 10x leverage, that would be $84,000 of profits. And that's the trade that I would still take. It's still bull flagging. Let's go closer into the short term, where I'm seeing a bull flag here, a lot of volume. Bull flagging, so most likely in the short term we're also going to get a breakout. So I'll keep this trade open. That's the one that was the long-term trade that we set up. And for short-term trade, still bull flag paying out, a lot of volume. It's overbought on the hourly, on the 15 minutes and the 4-hourly, but it is bull flagging. And we also have this big inverse head and shoulders here on this shorter term time frame. That's a bullish pattern as well. That should be taking us to around that inverse head and shoulders, this distance here, the head, so this distance, which we already kind of made that movement. We already made that movement, but it is bull flagging on the shorter term time frame. So I would still be going long here. If you took that trade from earlier, from yesterday, big congratulations. Move your stop loss into profits. If you haven't taken that trade, I'd be going long here. Stop loss just underneath this breakout because we need to keep a tight stop loss on a breakout like this. We have that other trade, the longer term trade, but this is in the short term. Tight stop loss here, stop loss just underneath that breakout candle, and target again this channel, which will be here. 8.63 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $176 to make $1,525. This is day trading with 10x leverage. Will be $15,250 of profits, which will be beautiful. Those are the two trades that I have set up on Bitcoin. 8.6 risk to reward, risking $176 to make $1,525 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $15,250. So nice trades to take on Bitcoin. But again, I'm mainly buying Google and Facebook at the moment. I've been buying a lot of them because I'm so heavily exposed to crypto through MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. Now I'm going to go total market cap of cryptos and then Ethereum. You have to do your own due diligence. None of this is financial advice. I'm showing you what my thoughts of the market and what I'm doing with my money. You have to do your own due diligence. Crypto markets hitting that $828 billion market cap that I predicted. If you followed my videos, I called that movement from down here at 792 to hit that target, 827 billion. I said that a few videos ago, so big congratulations. We played out. That hit that target. Now that inverse head and shoulder, there's a big inverse head and shoulders playing out here. This one that can take us now to the next target, which will be this distance here, right? The base of the head of the inverse head and shoulders, which will be taking us to 860 billion, next target on the crypto market. So we are having some crypto pumps right now, but this is a heavy resistance to get through. You can see here multiple touches on this 827 billion line and rejections. So this is a point to get through, but I do believe we are going to have this pump in cryptocurrencies to 860 billion. Congratulations, whoever took those trades from 795 billion, $30 billion movement, which is beautiful. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum trade hitting out or close to our take profit. Look at that. Our take profit was 1,357. We came to 1,348. So about $9 off from yesterday's video. Big congratulations if you took that trade. I'm seeing a huge inverse head and shoulders here on Ethereum as well. Massive one. That if that plays out, we could have a huge movement for Ethereum. That would take us to around this distance here. We could be going for Ethereum to around 1,350. If you took that trade yesterday, big congratulations. Move your stop loss into profits. That trade is now successful. The next trade, move your stop loss into profits. The next trade that I would take on Ethereum is this one, a long setup. So I'll move this. This was yesterday's trade, which played out. So I'll just move it to the side. I need to move it to the side without altering. That trade yesterday has played out. This is the trade that I would go now, long on Ethereum from here. Stop loss just underneath these wicks, a bit further down onto the support on the monthly, and take profit at the target. Nice, 8.33 risk to reward ratio, 14% profits with 10x leverage, 140% profit. That's the trade that I would take on Ethereum. And remember, everyone, self-custody your finances. Self-custody your finances. If you want to trade Bitcoin, just move funds for trading. But self-custody, if you want to trade, underneath this video in the description, you can go down below and sign up to Bybit, second biggest exchange after Binance. They're very good for trading. They have a lot of trading volume on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. Underneath this video, sign up to Bybit. You can get up to 30,000 USDT bonuses when you sign up to Bybit, and you can actually get MCRT on Bybit as well. And you can take my crypto mastercourse to learn how to trade, how to self-custody, learn technical analysis. If you've been losing money, if you got affected by FTX, if you got affected by Binance, all the things that are happening, take the crypto mastercourse because I teach you security in there. And join the live trade alerts group on Telegram to learn with 6,000 other students. This is some news, so we don't know whether Binance concerns are legitimate. I'm not one for fear-mongering, but if you have any doubt, it can't hurt to withdraw to self-custody until any concerns are resolved. Brian from base, saying customer funds are backed 1-to-1 as shown in our public company financials. This player won 1,000 MCRT playing Magicraft. Here, everyone is panic fleeing into Bitcoin on-chain self-custody. I'll buy Bitcoin every week for the rest of my life, simply as a silent protest against our crazy, effed up, fire bullshit world. This was me calling the exact top on November 11th, telling everyone to get out of crypto and stocks, which was perfect call actually. Binance outflows in the last 24 hours out by minus 5.7 billion. It's actually reached 7 billion in the last 24 hours. This was our trade yesterday on Bitcoin, smashing and hitting it before the CPI, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's the updates on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on the crypto market. Stay safe out there. It's very volatile. At the moment, I'm moving more into USDC to protect in case Binance goes down. BUSD, BNB could be dangerous at the moment. Wait to see what happens. I don't think Binance will go down, but if it does, it would be destructive for a long time to crypto. But USDC seems to be safe at the moment. And Bitcoin self-custody, obviously, that was the whole purpose of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.